Good morning, children. Today we will be doing the second part of chapter 4, Continents and Oceans. Today we will be learning about the oceans, about the five oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic or the Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Here we have the trench. What is a trench? Let us see. A trench is a type of excavation or depression in the ground that is generally deeper than it is wide and narrow compared with its length. Okay, children, over here you can see the picture. It is about the army. When the army goes for a war, they make a trench and they stay in that trench. Okay, over here you can see in this picture. The Marina Trench. The Marina Trench is located in Pacific Ocean. It is the deepest trench in the world. It is deeper than the height of the Mount Everest. Over here you can see, children, there is an arrow which is showing that the Marina Trench is over here. Over here you can see over here is the Australian map, and this is the Pacific Ocean, and here is the trench, Marina Trench, this portion. Okay, and how deep it is we will just see in this picture. It is like this. Over here this is the V shape they are showing. See over here the depth and how deep it is. It is this deep. See the depth of the trench. Okay, so now let us go back to our chapter. Oceans. Oceans are large water bodies on the earth. Please underline, children. Oceans are large water bodies on the earth. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Underline this also. It is the largest ocean in the world. It covers an area larger than the area of all the continents combined together. It is also the world's deepest ocean. Again, you underline over here, it is also the world's deepest ocean. It is almost circular in shape and separates North America and South America from Asia and Australia. It borders all the continents in the world except Europe. So which continent does not border? It's the Europe. Except Europe, it borders all the other continents. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is an S-shaped ocean which separates North America and South America from Europe and Africa. The coastline of the Atlantic Ocean is irregular. As a result, it provides excellent location for ports and harbors. Its ports have the highest passenger and cargo traffic in the world. A mountain range called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge lies underneath this ocean. Now let us see this, children. Over here we see Pacific Ocean. Over here we see the Pacific Ocean. This is the Asia, Australia, North America, South America, and here is this part is full Pacific Ocean. Okay, and now the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, as I told you, it is an S-shaped ocean. It is like this. This is why it is known as the S-shaped ocean. Over here I have an interesting picture of the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Over here you see there is two colored oceans. Okay, one is deep in color and one is light in color. The deeper shade is the Pacific Ocean and the lighter shade is the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, let us see what it is. The waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean refuses to mix. It refuses to mix. That's why there is a line. The border between these two oceans is like a line between two worlds. The darker Pacific water stands next to the lighter Atlantic waters, which is known as the Drake Passage. Okay, so it is known as the Drake Passage. Okay, Indian Ocean. Children, Indian Ocean is named after India. Indian Ocean separates Asia, Africa, and Australia. It it is the only ocean to be named after a country, that is India. Many important rivers like Gangas and Brahmaputra and the Indus flow into it. Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean forms by merging of water of the Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean around the continent of Antarctica. It is also called the Antarctic Ocean. So Southern Ocean is also called the Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean is also called the Antarctic Ocean. And over here you can underline this, children, that Indian Ocean is named after a country, that is India. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean on the earth. It is called so because it is located mostly within the Arctic Circle around the North Pole. As a result, most of the ocean is covered with snow. It is connected to Pacific Ocean through the Bering Strait. So you underline over here, the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the earth. It is called so because it is mostly within the Arctic Circle and it is covered with snow. And it connects to the Pacific Ocean through the Bering Strait. Okay, children. The importance of ocean. Oceans are important as they are home to a wide variety of marine life, which is a source of livelihood for many people around the world. Oceans have a moderating influence over the climate of coastal regions. Oceans also serve as a medium for transporting passengers and cargoes through huge carrier ships. Okay, children, marine life is the world beneath the ocean. That means it's the life of the fish and other marine lives. Okay, many people do fishing and they live over here, they live their livelihood. Okay, now let us sum up what we have learned from this chapter. From the earth's surface, we have got two important points. One is the ocean and one is the continents. What are oceans? Oceans are the water bodies, and what are continents? Continents are the land masses, huge land masses. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. And what are their names? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. And the continents, there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. So, children, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe, and bye.